Now here's another little thing here we had to work on. So this actually came off the peak of the house. Let me step back. So you see way up there? This is on one side, and this one goes over here on the other side. So what I did was I'm gently nailing it back together. It was in about 4 pieces, but ready to go into about 6 or 7. So I've nailed all these joints. And you can see the backside was never painted. So what we're going to do is, after I get this all nailed back together, and I'm using the siding nails, I just really like these little guys, blunt ends, so they don't. It's the tricky part is you want to hammer gently because you can easily break this apart more. But it's going well. I'm going to connect this last piece, and then I'm going to gently scrape everything. I got a little caulking repair right here. I'm going to caulk all the joints after I'm done scraping, and then we'll prime it down here and maybe even paint the whole thing right down here, and then I will nail it up a little later. But it's kind of a cool little design. Really, they cut a point on here, put some of these very typical East Lake edges on, and then they did the old rounds part way through, not all the way through. Well, yeah, not all the way through. Almost all the way through right here, though. Must have slipped and went a little further than they thought, because I don't think they meant. Wow, really close on that one too. But these other ones, they left a little bit more. So they didn't plan on going all the way through, but almost did in a few cases. So pretty cool overall. Let's get back at it.